Morning guys, how are you? Just a really quick video this morning to show you what I'm doing. I'm heading up to London, to East London, to Poplar, where we've got one of our commercial clients wants some shrubs planting on a roof terrace. I thought I'd leave really early, so we are at, where are we at now? 5:15 in the morning. Trying to get up there through the traffic. We did it last week and we did 3 jobs in one day, and it was amazing, but the traffic, we waited in for 3 hours. So I just wanted to do a really quick video telling you what we're doing, what kind of things survive on a roof terrace. Pretty much just hardy evergreen plants which will survive through little maintenance, pretty much low maintenance, but also through high winds, heavy rain, a bit of frost through the winter, and all kinds of things. So really quickly, we use 4 or 5 different shrubs in there. Kind of doer shrubs that we use quite a lot, that we know will survive, are hardy in this country, and our evergreen. So one we used was Viburnum tinus, which is a winter flowering, lovely shrub that can grow into a big size if left to it. These are all potted though, so we have to, obviously these are maintained now and again, but in terms of watering and things, these are a lot better to look after themselves than a lot of other things. So Viburnum tinus is one we've got. Another one we've got is called Hebe rachiensis, which is a kind of a dome forming evergreen, lovely white flower on through the summer months. What else have we got in there? We've got Viburnum burkwoodii, which is a lovely fragrant evergreen shrub, and again will thicken out nicely, get quite a big size if not maintained. So that's it. There are
Speed camera reported ahead.
Use hedging plants, look great too.
Average speed check zone ahead.
Things like that. But it's good to mix the seasons up. So the Viburnum tinus is good for winter flowering. The Hebe has a good summer flower, and the Viburnum burkwoodii
entering average speed check zone. Speed camera reported
by all
ahead.
means, add things like we've used some hedera, some ivy, and a few other things just to kind of drape over. A little bit of rosemary, which is a trading rosemary, which is what I love to use in pots. Just gives a bit of fragrance and good for the bees and all that kind of stuff. So I hope that helps. I just thought while I was on my own travelling up to London, I'd do a quick video, help you guys out, and I'll catch you next time. Check out the YouTube channel or our website, www.benlanoy.com, or any of the social media networks as well. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Cheers. Bye.